Have you ever wondered why carrots are orange, pumpkins are so bright, or spinach is such a rich dark green? The secret is a powerful pigment called beta carotene, and trust me, it does way more than just give color to your food. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Wellness Equation. Today we're diving into the world of beta carotene, a nutrient your body turns into vitamin A, essential for strong vision, a sharp immune system, and overall health. So what exactly is beta carotene? It's a natural compound found in colorful fruits and veggies. Once you eat it, your body cleverly converts it into vitamin A, one of the most important antioxidants your body needs. Now let's talk about some amazing foods that are packed with this nutrient. Get ready because some of these numbers will surprise you. Pumpkin. Just 1 cup of cooked pumpkin contains a whopping 17,000 micrograms of beta carotene. Plus, it's anti-inflammatory and great for your eyes, heart, and immune system. Sweet potatoes. A single medium sweet potato has about 13,100 micrograms, along with fiber and other vitamins that support gut health. Spinach. 1 cup has over 11,000 micrograms, and thanks to its nitrates, it may even help lower blood pressure. Butternut squash. A cup provides around 9,370 micrograms. Colored greens, coming in at 8,570 micrograms per cup. Carrots. The classic. Just half a cup has 6,500 micrograms. And here's a cool tip. Cooking carrots actually makes it easier for your body to absorb the beta carotene. Kale, about 2,000 micrograms per cup. Cantaloupe, 10 juicy slices give you 3,840 micrograms. Apricots, fresh ones contain 1,690 micrograms per half cup, while dried apricots pack even more, 2,810 micrograms. Broccoli. A medium stalk has around 1,670 micrograms, and like carrots, cooking increases its beta carotene. Mangoes. 1 cup of sweet golden mango gives you about 1,060 micrograms. Okay, so why should we care about all this beta carotene? Here's the deal. Getting enough of it can reduce inflammation, protect against oxidative stress, and even lower the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Some studies also suggest it supports brain health, improving memory and cognitive function. So next time you grab a sweet potato, a mango, or even a bunch of spinach, remember, you're not just enjoying delicious food, you're fueling your body with one of nature's most powerful antioxidants. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Wellness Equation for more health tips. Stay colorful, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one.